Hello, how to start profitable broiler farming at home. Are you intending farmer? Do you have the capital to start profitable broiler chicken farming at home? This particular step-by-step professional guide to success is yours. Please watch the video till the end. Many are already making mistakes. Already they have started making mistakes. Some, what I hear on daily basis, most of you don't hear it. The messages I receive on daily basis, most of you don't receive it, regarding poultry and livestock farming. Many have lost over 200 out of the 500 birds they stocked. Some, this is their first time, and they are already looking, they are even praying to see if they can recover their capital. So it is always important for you to watch the video till the end so that you get the best guide that will help you in the next batch. If you are already making mistake, already made mistake already, please. Because starting a profitable broiler chicken farming business at home is one of the fastest way to earn steady income and achieve food security. Because this is within your comfort zone, at your backyard. In the night you can watch them. You are not spending transport. You are not burning fuel to go and watch them or to monitor them or monitor their well-being. Your household or members of the family can still help you to guide them because you are not spending much on salary. It is backyard broiler farming. Please, with little capital, proper management, and the right step and setup, you can raise healthy chicken and grow them faster, sell quickly, and bring in great profit and income to your household. Whether you have a small backyard or few cages around the environment, this professional step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to begin, manage, and also grow your broiler farm successfully. Even as a beginner, you don't have any knowledge at all. If you can bend down and watch the video till the end without skipping tracks, at the end of this video you are good to go. Your next batch of broiler production will be superb. You may not even need to ask me any further question. All this high mortality will be waived off because you're already an expert. If you can follow this, you want to be an expert in broiler production, watch the video till the end and tap like this hand, that's thumb up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, and activate the bell notification so that once an update on this particular topic or any other topic in poultry and livestock farming comes up, you'll be notified by this our wonderful app that another video has been released. 15 professional step-by-step guide to start profitable broiler chicken farming at home. Number 1. The last one, 15th one, is the most that's the most important among them. First, plan your poultry project. That's the first thing you need to do. Planning is very important. If you don't plan to succeed, you have planned to fail. So for me, I advise you to plan to succeed. Decide your scale. Some of us start with high number of broilers. No, it is wrong. As a fresher, as a beginner, you are starting with 500, 600, 1,000. Already, some of us have already calculated the amount of money we want to make, the kind of cow we want to buy at the end of operation. Because at times you may be disappointed if you don't have the technical know-how or on the knowledge on how to rear higher. You can rear 2 or 5 broilers in your house without any straight. But when they are in higher number, it may not be easier for you. The same number of birds you rear and get away with it may not favor you when you have huge or large number of broilers. Large flock is not easy. Starting with high number is very risky and very delicate. So decide on the scale as a beginner. What scale you can start with, and what target market do you have? Who are buying your product? What type of broiler do they need? What size of broiler do they need? All this is very important. That is among planning. You are now setting up your plans. Secondly, choose a good broiler breed. Go for the fast growing type like Roasted Oat Cobb, Marshall and others, Abu Aka and others. Construct a suitable poultry house This, when you talk about constructing a stable poultry house, even if you are converting an empty room in your house to poultry house, make sure you make it comfortable. Let there be cross ventilation, please. Ventilation is very important. Air space is very important for broilers. Somebody sent me a video. I have seen that video. That video lacked a lot of biosecurity measures. Ventilation, lighting, and temperature control is very important also. So disinfect and prepare housing before chicks arrive to prevent disease outbreak. Once there is an outbreak in your farm, you hardly achieve maximum result, and making profit will be difficult. Like this, my wonderful brother that just called me a few minutes ago, that lost about 100 something birds or more than that. You see, to make profit will be very difficult. In fact, if I lose one bird in my farm, I cry for 1 week. That cry from my heart. Most of the times I will be sleeping, I will be dreaming of the bird. That how do I make this kind of mistake? Then somebody will sit down and watch 100 something birds die. In fact, if that happened to me, my BP will shoot up immediately. I know it cannot happen because no matter the reason, I know how to handle them. Buy healthy day-old chicks. Day-old chicks is very important. I know there was some time when I started broiler farming earlier, somebody gave me wrong, poor quality broiler chicks. In fact, once the chicken get to my farm, almost within 24 hours, I lost more than 200 birds for no cost. When I complained, the man told me that the problem was from the factory. In fact, the wife made mistake in giving me that bed because the bed they prepared for me was not the one the wife gave me. That already they knew that it had problems, so they packed that carton in one part aside. And when I came, the man was not around. The wife was the one that gave me the chicken. So I took the chicken to the farm. Within after 24 hours, I lost over 200 birds. And the complaint was all over the whole country. That particular set of birds. So you see, birds can be unhealthy right from the farm. It is very important you get the proper and healthy chicks. It is very important for you. And arrival, some of them can come with disease already. So if they come with disease, you hardly cure that kind of disease from the farm. It's very difficult. So set up proper brooding area with heater, feeder, and clean litters before the arrival, and make sure you use clean equipment to rear your broilers and brood them. Maintain correct temperature, 32 to 35 degrees Celsius for the chicks during the brooding stage. Proper brooding is very important. They contact most of the infections during brooding, and once they contact during brooding, it will be difficult for you to cure it because that time it will affect their growth. Now, feed quality starter mash, 24 to 24% crude protein is very important, or you can use super starter or use quality feed to start them and to give them early growth. Provide clean water all the time and hydrate them. It's going to keep them hydrated and give them energy to eat also. Follow vaccination schedule. Give Lasota, it's very important. Give Gomboro, very important. If they are layers, give fowl pox, it's very important, please. All these are very important vaccines you need to give to your poultry birds. Whether you're organico, central organico, make sure your vaccination is really viral infection is very important because they can easily contact it. For you to go 100% organic, you must keep 100% adequate biosecurity measures. And it is very difficult for a farmer to keep 100% adequate measures. Your neighbors can even infect your poultry birds. So use organic boosters or probiotics like Eco Bio Booster to improve digestion and growth. This is the best that have happened to poultry farmers globally. This Eco Bio Booster. This is a 30 years research conducted to produce this, and it is wonderful, doing wonders with good testimony from all the farmers. Are you using this or not using it in your farm now? You continue to complain if you are not using this. You continue spending money on synthetic, spending huge on synthetic medications. Keep litter dry and clean to reduce diseases and ammonia buildup. Most of the times, turn the litters to have fresh air. Monitor feed intake and weigh your chickens weekly to track performance. Switch to grower and finisher feed at the appropriate time to make sure your chickens are eating well. And market your birds when they are ready for market. Don't overstress them, please. It's very important. Eco Boy Booster in their water on daily basis. This is only 55,000 naira. 5 liters. Get it. How do you get it? Send me a message on the WhatsApp. Let me direct you. Know your location. We will build your location. You pay for the waybill and get the product in the comfort of your home without any stress at all. You only add 10 ml of it into their water on daily basis. That's all. You're good to go. Free medication, free poultry practice, huge profit, no disease, nothing. Good to go. Next video, I'm going to give you vaccination schedule using EcoBio booster. If you need it, please let me know in the comment section also. Remember, our feed formula using groundnut pea is not yet loaded. Always remind me on the video, please. Thank you for watching. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers and drop your comments and your view about this particular topic. Any other topic you need me to produce for you, let us go there. Bye for now.